Hey beautiful, I will be sharing with you how I use camille rose, the recipe for beauty, spark honey mousse. So as you can see, my natural hair is a bit frizzy and I wanted something that will soften my kinks and also give me that popping definition. I am just playing with this camille rose mousse right now all through my hair, but it's really important to work in section. I usually work in section, but it's been a while I haven't posted a video and I wanted to upload this video, so I said, all right, let me just play with this product. I'm kind of like a bit obsessed with it. It's kind of too amazing. I use this product 2 times and I like really love it. Alright beauties, this is what I really like to do to my natural hair before using this camille rose sparkling mousse. And guys, I did use a leave-in conditioner after I was done washing my hair. Then the same day I go in with my curl enhancement cream. Then the next day, then I go in with this camille rose mousse.